This is a really cool travel backpack. So I'm gonna show you all the details of it. We'll open it up as well. The outside has this hard shell, but also a really neat texture to it, kind of geometric, which I love. And when you open it, you're gonna see it's almost like a carry-on as well. So lots and lots of compartments here. Let's start in this front area. You get a little key thing that does have that long adjuster to it. Pocket up here that's zippered very deep. You have areas for pens, you have a mesh area here. Now down here, it has a little design of a headphone. You could put your headphones in here or something else. The texture on this is super, super soft, almost like velvety. And then you also get one of these zippered pockets. Again, you could put pens, you could put all different things in there. That Velcro shut. There's buttons here. If when you close it, you want to button it up, you can. Now on this side, there's a whole lot more. So now we have another mesh area that you can zip up. So if you're traveling, you want to put your clothes in this compartment, that's a good spot for that. We also have a charging cable, so you do have that included. And then we'll go to the next section. You can see here, this is a really good strap. Okay. Over here, we have a zippered area that if you have it unzippered, can pull out. So you could put a drink in there. You have a lock. So for security reasons, that's always great. On this side, you're gonna find the exact same thing. So this over here is really cool. Another area to charge your cell phone, your computer, your devices, and it has a little screen that covers that up. And then we have our back area. A whole nother section. This is a great place to keep your computer. It even has a little computer design right there. It's that really soft velvet and it's padded. So it's gonna protect your devices. And then here you have a spot for a cell phone. If you have a keyboard, you could put a keyboard there. Just tons of space. And then again, it Velcros in another pocket up here, which is really, really nice. So the whole thing, when you put it back together, you're just getting a ton of space and also a lot of protection for your devices. And then I'm gonna show it to you on. Zip that up. Here in the back, couple of options of another zipper, kind of a secret one right here. This is a good spot if you want to put like a passport or something like that. It's on your back, so it's going to be pretty secure. There's also a strap here, so that way if you're traveling through the airport, you can put this through your carry handle of your carry-on bag, which is so convenient. On this part, there's a zipper as well. So there's a little zipper here. You could probably put your ID, maybe some cash in there. And that's the same on this side too. So putting it on, it's not too heavy, empty, which is great. And then these are adjustable. So I would need to adjust it up to be the right size. These are nice and soft and cushiony. And then you also have a clip right here so that can take off some of that extra weight when you're carrying your backpack. So overall, this is amazing. I think you're gonna love it.